Well, me and Zine are locked up. Hopefully we'll get out soon so we can get back to camping. Zena says, "Let me out of here!" Well, we broke out of the Williams jail and now we're hanging out at Cataract Lake. If you're ever up in the Williams, Arizona area, you definitely have to come check out Cataract Lake. It is super beautiful, and they have plenty of spots where you can stop and have a picnic, cook a nice meal, and just hang out with family and friends. Today we're going to be testing out the Cheetos brand mac and cheese. I have wanted to try this for a long time, but I have not been able to find it anywhere other than Amazon for like $10 a box. The other day I got it at my local Fry's store for only $1. Can't wait to try this out. This pasta is super easy to make. All you do is fill a pot and boil some water. Then the only ingredients you'll need are 2 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of milk. And you're just gonna boil your pasta, drain it, stir in the butter, and then stir in the cheese powder. This mac and cheese is absolutely delicious, super thick and super creamy. It has that great, super addictive Cheeto cheesy flavor. There you go. And it's even Xena approved. You want some more? Do you like that? Well, this stuff is delicious. I definitely recommend trying it out. In this box, we're feeding 3 people with a side dish for only $1. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.